The Mekong Delta covers over 40,500 square kilometers in southern Vietnam, and we're about to explore a very small portion of it.
Do you want to try some fermented shrimp?
Embarking on a boat tour with our amazing guide, Nee, we'll be spending the morning exploring Can Tho Local Market.
So it's fake money.
Learning how to make rice noodles.
That's crazy.
And worshiping the god of pineapples?
You're the lord of the pineapple right now.
But first, we want to show you what it's like traveling by sleeper bus in Vietnam.
All right, so I am now in my seat. I'm gonna show you around. This is really cool. So you can literally just lay down. What do you think about it?
I love this, first of all. I can take a nap because I got 2 hours of sleep last night.
Pull it back. Complete privacy. So I guess I should point out that the bus line that we were taking is Phu Tho bus line, and everything about it's been awesome so far. So, 4-hour journey, not gonna be too bad.
Once arriving at Can Tho, we hopped in a taxi to the homestay we'll be staying at for the weekend.
We're almost there. We're not quite there yet.
Not quite there.
Dropped off on the road. He said, bye-bye.
Yeah, you basically kicked us out.
I'm really looking forward to being out of the city for the entire weekend and kind of detaching. So this phone is going to be off for the most part, and I'm really excited.
After checking into our beautiful riverside room and peeling myself off the hammock, we took the homestay's offer to borrow a couple of bikes and take a ride around the local town.
I think this little one right here is perfect for you. And I'll take this one next to it.
Baskets, yes please.
Here's our map. We're going on the lines of blue. Let's head to
do
the
it.
market.
It was refreshing to ride down the riverside and watch the locals going about their daily life.
This is fun.
Well, this is what we needed.
This is beautiful.
After being in the bustling city, I just needed some tranquility. We're here.
Hello.
One incredibly delicious coconut later, and we headed home for a huge dinner provided by the homestay.
So they make this stew, if you will, and of different vegetables, but then they give us these vegetables over here because they only cook between 1 to 3 minutes, so you put them in as you're eating them. And we have a whole smorgasbord. You have pork and fish sauce, which is a specialty in the Mekong River.
Oh, nice.
And for vegetarians, it's very popular to have tofu with tomato sauce on it.
That looks delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It's really that good.
Oh my gosh, yeah, no, the flavors are so good. Oh my goodness.
Very good. It has just like own flavor. Love it.
And then it was straight to bed to rest up for the early start in the morning.
All right, it's 5:45.
It's too early for me.
God, it's so early. But we gotta go catch a boat and head to the Mekong River Delta.
That's when it's worth it to wake up this early.
It is. I'm pumped. Let's go. We're on the Mekong River Delta and out here getting some breakfast on a tour with Nee behind me, and it's amazing out here. It's super cool, a lot going on. So Nee, what does it mean with the eyes on the boat?
The eyes are in front of the boat. I'm waiting for you guys to ask.
Yeah.
All right. Actually, because there are 2 reasons for that. First reason, because they believe that the boat is like a spirit animal. You know, so most of the people, they live on the boat, so that's why they have to paint the eyes in front of the boat. So whenever they get lost, the boat will take them to the right direction. And the second reason, because in the past there were a lot of crocodiles in this area. So most of the people try to paint the eyes of the boat, so the boat looks like a really big animal to scare away the crocodiles. So that's why. But our boat don't have the eyes, so be careful with the crocodiles.
I'm ready to eat.
We're
Breakfast time.
Yeah.
Woo. We're going up to get some breakfast. Get some noodles.
In Vietnamese, we call the noodles that you're having is bún riêu.
Moon real.
Yeah. So this is your.
This is mine.
It is really good. This is way better than an American breakfast.
And this coconut's even better than the one we had yesterday, so I'm really happy about this.
Do you want to try some fermented shrimp?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's a yes.
All right, so I'm gonna try some of the fish paste. Did you say this? Did you say this was fish paste?
Yeah, it's a shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste.
Yeah.
Là trái mà ăn chết luôn rồi.
It's so strong.
So after your experience, I'm really not wanting to try it. That's a lot. Okay?
That is not a lot.
It's a lot.
Is that a lot?
It's not a lot.
This is a good amount to taste. I'm trying it. It's not my favorite.
Yeah.
Let's go to the rice noodle factory.
Nicole, it's your turn.
Right.
Known for graceful.
Perfect.
Remember our first date?
Oh yeah. Fell right on your butt.
We're going.
Let's go.
So we're gonna go through steps by steps of the process of making rice noodles. You can see the yellow bags right here. These are the bags of rice flour. This one is rice liquid. It's the mixture of rice flour, 20% of tapioca, and water. Do you know tapioca?
Like pudding?
Like I know tapioca flour.
Yeah, tapioca flour.
Flour.
Yes.
Okay. I said pudding.
Pudding,
Not pudding.
tapioca, pudding. We mix the tapioca flour with rice flour and water. Then they keep overnight for the rice liquid to be fermented. And then they finish the rice liquid right here.
On the way to step 2, Nicole happened across some furry friends.
So every time we go somewhere, Nicole always wants to take one home. We'd have like 100 or so.
I love dogs so much. I want to adopt all the puppies.
No, you can't do that.
Why?
You can keep it.
You can keep him.
Anyway, the second stage of making rice noodles meant creating circular sheets of rice paper and laying them out on a bamboo shelf. Can you do it as good as me?
Better.
Roll slowly. Perfect.
A little better. A little better, no?
Yeah.
Me? You should say yeah.
Ryan really gave it his best. The third stage is taking the rice paper out into the sun.
Okay.
Right here. Here's a place that they dry the rice paper. 3 to 4 hours. Oh wow.
3 to 4 hours.
Yeah, only 3 to 4 hours. And it takes longer if it's on the rainy days.
Finally, step 4 is making the noodles.
This is the rice
good rice?
paper. Yes.
That's crazy.
It's like plastic.
Yeah, it feels just like plastic.
That's wild.
We're gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Let's cut it.
So one person's gonna do the heavy work. You're gonna do that?
Sure, yeah, why not?
Alright, okay. So you will stand right here and roll the wheel this side.
This way? Okay.
Real fast. Just go. 1, 2, 3. I don't want to lose my fingers. So.
Go,
Alright.
go, go,
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
go,
Just
go.
keep going. Yeah.
Go, come on, Nicole, use your arms. Go, keep going.
Gotta run it like the motor.
Oh my god. This is why I can't hold
Okay.
the camera.
Come on, Nicole.
Almost there.
You didn't know you were gonna get a
That's
workout.
really nice. Right there.
Whoa.
Oh. This one is your second breakfast.
That's so cool.
Alright, so we're getting some pineapple on the pineapple boats. That's all I gotta say about that. So in Vietnam, they put chili salt on the pineapple. I don't usually like salt, but when in Rome, and also Ryan's brother Clay would very much approve of salting the fruit. It's actually good. I normally don't like salt, but if you just put a little bit, it's really good. I don't know if you're gonna hear any of that.
Okay.
You're the lord of the pineapple right now.
Always knew that this moment would come.
Real. This morning what you had?
Ah.
Yeah. And this morning I had whole chili dragon beans. Yeah.
Dragon beans?
Yeah, dragon beans. Looks like the dragon, so.
Yeah. So we're walking through the local market here, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is just crazy. They have everything that you can imagine, and super cool.
But this one is a really special one. This one is the wild bitter melon with the wild taste also.
Yeah?
This one is really bitter if you try.
Really better.
You burn this when you pass away. It goes into the afterlife with them, so they have money. So it's fake money.
And what is the clothes for?
And so they have some clothes for the afterlife as well. You can get some Gucci if you'd like.
This one is the bun ball.
The bun ball?
Yeah, bun ball. Yeah, when you translate into English, it's cow pie. But it's
Cow.
not from cow for sure. Yeah.
It's like
It's from
Get it.
rice flour with coconut milk and some sugar and yeast to make it fluffy.
Try it.
Oh, that's so good. It's not too sweet. It's really good.
And you can see the color is from pandan leaf, the green color.
That
And,
pandas don't eat.
This looks good. You want to see this?
Try it.
Go look at it. You're
You
gonna
like
love
that
this.
one too? Is it sweet?
Yeah, but not too sweet.
Yeah.
Really good. Coconutty.
All right, so we're just finishing up here at the Kai Rong Market. Super cool place. Highly recommend. It was a part of our tour. Nicole's not feeling too well, so we're gonna get back on the boat and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Okay, slippery.
we're home. Be careful of the rope.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. We had a great time. All right, we're back.
Woo!
Such a fun time.
That was so much fun. And now I'm ready to relax.
Yeah, we're gonna relax. We're going to actually get a massage because they have them here.
We haven't had massages. Have we ever had a massage together?
No, actually, I don't think we have.
No.
So this will be a first among many for today. But
So they offer them right here at the property, so we don't even have to leave. So it's perfect because I'm gonna need a nap right after it.
yeah, so let's go get ready and head on over.
Let's do it.
All right, so I just finished my massage. Let's go see what Nicole's up to. She's been done for quite a bit. She's probably sleeping.
How was your massage?
It was good. I felt awesome. How about you?
It was good. I don't think I'm leaving this hammock for the next few hours. So with that being said, we'll catch y'all on the next one.